No way.
Land full of gun, a done thing, a top ranking. I grade as my blood clot, we can nearly damn king.
I could not believe this thing came. It came way too early. I even sent them a message saying, hey guys, I just want to know roughly when it's arriving. And then they messaged me today on eBay saying, yeah, because of this COVID-19 pandemic, might take a bit longer, 3-4 days longer. It's supposed to come 23rd of May. So I was thinking,
stand back, stand back. No, I need it there, I need it.
I was thinking it might not come till the end of May. And boom, it arrives today. Mental. Actually buzzing, but I'm editing a video first. I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to come down and box this and see what it's like. It's a Hardcastle. The company's Hardcastle. It's a bench press. I needed to buy one because the bench press I've been using, it's like a make-do-at-home one. There's no rack. I have to like flick it up on my chest and drop back. Very dodgy and it's a lot of strain. So yeah, I had to buy a bench press because it looks like I'm going to be in lockdown for a lot longer because I work at David Lloyd. They're one of like quite a few things that are going to be open for a while because when people go back to the gym and stuff, you're probably going to have to book it and that, like there's going to be a few people in gym at a time. See, I gave in. I had to buy a bench press. It was about £209. Like that is a lot because, you know, Argos was selling them for about 60 quid with the weights too. But yeah, of course Argos don't actually have any in stock because they've been out of stock for a month or so now. But yeah, this one actually looks really good quality. But yeah, I know it's like, Ben, you pay £209, are you mad? But honestly, for the gains, I'm actually more than happy to pay £209. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna attempt to try and hopefully put it together. You wanna watch me unbox this bench press? No way, the other one's here. You wanna watch me unbox this bench press too? Run. Run. Well, that's a pain in the arse. I don't have the correct like Oki key. Well, it's like a wrench, I think. I don't have the correct size one. I don't have one big enough for the first lot of bolts, so I'm gonna have to get back to you lot. Alright, gonna go to Homebase to buy a wrench. I've had an absolute mare at Homebase. Just, I don't know, like I also had 3 different people where the tool hole was. It was basically cut off. Then the entrance to go in was said dead end on the floor. There was someone blocking it, like, and I asked people 3 fucking times. I was like, mate, the 4th time I was like, mate, I can't find it, what are you doing? And he's like, it's here. It's like, well, why didn't you tell me straight away where it was? Then it would have been more easier. Because you know they block things off and stuff and you have to go around a certain way. I got the wrench though. Then I realised when I got home that the pliers that I had to hold the bolt on the other side so it wouldn't twist around, so the actual little screw could actually go onto the bolt, was too small, so it wouldn't actually hold the bolt in place whilst I was twisting on the other side. So I just got really angry and gave up and had to get my granddad to give me some more pliers. This is where it gets really confusing. So I need to do this bit now. And it's finally set up, as you can see. Basically, I know I chatted a lot of shit in this video, but I'm gonna try to cut all that shit out. It's literally better than I thought. It's better than I expected. It's bigger than I expected. I didn't expect this to be metal. You know, it's just really cool, I think. And you can adjust the height of these two. There's a few little things I did wrong, like there's a bolt in the wrong place like 1 or 2 times. For example, as you can see, well, you won't be able to see now, but there, like there's supposed to be one of these, like, you know, when you fold it up, it's supposed to go through here, that hole, so it holds up. But obviously something was the wrong way, so I should have like done this, like not on the left but the right, but it doesn't matter really. But yeah, still, it's not going to be moving much. It's either going to be outside when it's nice weather, or it's going to be just in here, because there's plenty of room in here now. Because I wish I showed you guys the mess it was like in here before, but it was absolutely awful. And yeah, obviously you've got the dips here, you've got a grip dip here, so you can get a really nice chest workout. So I realised dips for chest are actually really good. So yeah guys, let's give it a go. But I just want to say, if I did it again, I would make it a lot better. Obviously it's my first time putting together something like this, so like it does the job, but if I wanted to put it together again, I'd know. There's like a few little things, but it's nothing that affects it too much. Yeah, let's give it a go. But yeah guys, I'm also thinking of buying some more plates because I need to, but people are selling them well expensive. But honestly, for this quality of a bench press, I'm well happy with what I paid for it. £209 was about the right amount. Because either it'd be like £100 and it'd be shit quality, or it'd be like £350 good quality but too expensive, you know? Alright, there's only 30 kg on here, including like whatever weight the barbell is. I'm so excited. Right, that's about in the middle. Ugh. The thing is with these, like at the gym, like it's a lot more safer to put it down, but I haven't done this in ages. Oh yes, boom. Oh man, that felt good, because before I'd literally have to flick it back onto my knees, and like that's just really dodgy. Alright, putting all the weight on. Just ignore this, like trust me, it's a lot nicer in here now, it's a lot worse. Alright, it's about 48 kg give or take. Oh man, tripod's in the way. Damn it. Oh yeah, it's all good, doesn't matter. Oh man, feels good. Whew. Alright, let's try the dips. I'm gonna have to move this out now, that's the problem. I can probably take it outside, but is that the same height? Nope. So yeah, a little bit shaky, but doesn't matter. Have I got enough space behind me? I think so. Nope, I don't. Oh, that's dodgy. What just happened? Whew, yeah, I'm not very good with dips, but it works. Yeah, the actual handles for the dips aren't very comfortable, but alright guys, I've said enough in this video. I'm really happy with this though. But you know, gonna be in lockdown probably for quite a bit longer, because David Lloyd's on go for a while. So yeah, I thought I had to get one for £200. It's alright, because obviously in lockdown you're not spending as much money. So yeah, for me it was it was worth it. So I'll put the link down below if you want to check it out. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy, leave a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. You know, if you're here like just to see how the bench press is, subscribe. And yeah, more videos of me on this bench press. So yeah, also I got these new bands coming, which can't wait for them to come. And yeah, I'll be able to make all kinds of gains at home. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.